Okay students, continuing with what we have stopped over here in our prior video, that is LTCG. We have to understand something as indexing, what I have explained you. While finding LTCG, indexing becomes necessary. Indexing means converting the cost of asset into its present value by using index numbers. So index numbers will be given in the question. We have to apply that, okay, and we have to find it out. Index numbers of cost of acquisition will be given, okay, as well as the sales, as well as the present cost of present index number will be given. On that basis we have to calculate it, okay. The index numbers used in such conversion are called as cost of inflation index, that is called as what? CII, cost of inflation index number. So what is the formula? Index cost of acquisition, how to calculate? Okay, it can be calculated. This is used in LTCG, okay. Cost of acquisition we have to take into cost inflation index for year of sale divided by cost inflation index for the year of purchase or acquisition. For acquisition part we have to consider all acquisition, sale and purchase. For improvement, what we have to do? Index cost of improvement, how much is the cost we have to take, okay. When the year of sale we have to consider it, the CII of that, and the CII for the year of improvement. You will understand when we are solving this problem, okay. Just remember it, but it might be asked for 2 marks as well, okay. We will go with the first problem of understanding the concept of STCG. On 16/4/2017, Mr. Anand Kumar purchased shares of ABC Limited for 95,000, and on 2/3/2018 he sold them for 1,35,000. The brokerage paid being 1,200. Calculate the capital gain. Okay, so they haven't asked us what type of capital gain it is, LTCG or STCG. We have to understand it by analyzing the problem. Okay. Okay, the analysis is how. Now check which group this problem belongs to. This problem belongs to group 1 because of asset of what now? Shares of companies. If the problem is related to shares of anything with respect to this, we have to apply this. If it is less than 12 months, it will be LTCG, STCG, and if it is more than 12 months, it will be LTCG. Clear with respect to group 1. Now this group 1 we have to understand it is been sold within 12 months, okay. Why? Because we have understood from the date 4/17/2018. So you can understand over here they have holded it for how many months? 8 months, okay, and this 3 months, okay. So it will be less than what? Absolutely with respect to less than 12 months. You can calculate and check, okay. So how we have to calculate? Full value of consideration, how much it is sold for? 1,35,000, okay, less what? Less cost of acquisition, how much? 95,000. There is no cost of improvement in this, but brokerage is been paid how much? 1,200. So total is what? 96,200. So this 96,200 should be less from 1,35,000. You will get a positive value of 38,800. So that is what now? STCG, that is what? Short term capital gain. This is first 5 marks ka problem. Thank you.